Good morning, guys. It's 8 to what's up, guys. So right now, you guys, I'm just relaxing. Just checking out some stuff. I'm probably gonna fly my drone, so that is probably what I'm gonna be doing. Just testing and see, because I haven't drone my drone for a while, so I have to get some practice in. But that's what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So that's what's going on. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are recording we are testing out my drone. So that's what's going on. See how it goes. See if I get the hang of it a little bit. Oop. You guys will recognize the backyard a little bit. Just seeing what it looks like. You guys can see me over there testing the drone out. Yeah, I'm just going around with it and see how it looks. So let's land this puppy. Let's land it. Let's do it. Okay, there you guys go. There's a quick recap of me playing with my drone. Guys, we are picking up Grace from daycare, so that's what's going on. So we are having steak and beans and potatoes. Guys, I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Good night.